Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do this makeup look because I'm going out today for Side Chick Saturday. Even though I'm not a side chick. I mean, I better not be no side chick. Otherwise, somebody's gonna die. Y'all, yesterday me and my boyfriend had to work, so that's the reason why we're celebrating Valentine's Day today. And when I looked on social media, they said today was Side Chick Saturday. So I was like, well, I guess I'm a side chick since we're going out today. So I was like, well, since I'm doing my makeup anyways, might as well film it. And let me know what y'all think about this look. And if you're interested to see how I got this to look, just continue watching. So you guys, I came down here to start filming and learned that my battery died in my mouse. And I even changed the battery. Okay, so let's get started on this look. Yeah, I didn't do my eyebrows or anything. So I'm doing all that now. Maybe I should zoom in. Yeah, sometimes I'll be wanting to cut off the ends of my eyebrows. Only because I just don't want it to curve. I want to create the curve, but I don't do it. I don't be having the guts to, because I'm like, I'm not going to be doing my eyebrows every day. Who wants to do that? Yeah, I think today my eyebrows is going to look like cousins. And I don't even feel like fixing it. They're just gonna have to be cousins today. They're not even first cousins. They like third cousins, like long distance cousins. You know, the cousins that you meet at family reunions. That's what these eyebrows gonna be today. Cause I just ain't got time. Let me put on some lip gloss. My lips things super dry. I don't even know what look I'm doing today or anything. Yeah, I completely didn't ran out of this. Like, look at this. I gotta go get some more. I'm gonna order something because this is ridiculous. You gonna make it work though? I don't know if I could order some more. I moisturize and prime my face because of things like that. I can already tell that this is gonna come out shitty because it just seemed like everything that can possibly go wrong has gone wrong. And I don't want to go out looking like who knows what and why for Side Chick Saturday. Like, who wants to do that? So we're gonna use the Warrior palette for this look. We're taking the color Kafuru. And we're just literally just tapping it in the corner. So then we're gonna take the color Jamata. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce some of these colors. And we can tap that in the center. Now these colors are real figurative. So we're gonna take this color Zama. I hope I'm pronouncing these colors right. And it's just like an orange color. And we're just gonna basically diffuse all this. And this is just like a clean brush. Take this Zaz color and just burn up the lid. What y'all think? It's giving me looks, so I guess I'll keep it. Now let's go on and do the face before we, finish up the eyes. Since I already primed my face, I'll be using a U.S Velvety Matte Foundation in the color Lagos. It's the color 240. I just kind of squeeze some on my finger and just put it on my face. So we're gonna take this little foundation brush and just smooth it out. Yeah, I've used this before already, and this is my first time filming with it, but yeah, I love this foundation. Definitely is my #1 for now. At first it was the Lancome foundation that was my #1 go-to, but since using this, I am in love because it is completely full coverage, and I just like the way it feels on the skin. See how full coverage that is. Like, get into it. So all of a sudden my camera stopped recording. This is the U.S concealer in the number 11, and I went and wet my beauty sponge. Let's blend it out. This is the same brush that I did the foundation with. Yeah, we also gonna take this Smashbox concealer. It's really light. I just want to lighten underneath the eyes. That's why I'm just gonna put that on top. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom out. So this is the Anastasia W Hills foundation stick, and y'all know I use this for my contour. Now we're gonna take the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and just kind of blend it all in. Then we're gonna dust that off a little bit. Now we're gonna set. Let's do the eyeliner. I'm not gonna be able to mimic that wing on the other side. I don't know. So it doesn't even matter. When I tell y'all, the closest I can get my eyebrows is like maybe sisters. Not even twins, maybe fraternal twins. But y'all, these wings is like pen pals. Cause they would never look alike. They probably look alike on camera, but off camera, it ain't happening. This one be looking bomb.com. But this one be like, yeah, girl, you tried it. We gonna see, can we get it at least, maybe like in-laws. Let's see, can we get them like in-laws. Okay, I think we did good. Now we're going to take some eyeliner. Now let's do the lashes. So the lashes I'm using is Calypso, and they're by Ace Beauty. We're going to put some mascara at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to do our bronzer and our blush. Let's start with the bronzer. I have to be looking good for Side Chick Saturday, honey. Now let's do the highlight. We're gonna take the Trophy Wife and just put a tad bigger one, because y'all know this Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife is really powerful. So we're gonna take this matte prep and prime and set this face to the boards. Yeah, you have to definitely shake this up. Because one time I didn't shake this up and I sprayed it and I had all type of white stuff on my face and it was not a pretty sight. I'm gonna lay these edges and come back and show y'all the finished look. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let's hope I enjoy this side chick Saturday. No, I'm just kidding. But anywho, let me know what y'all think about this look. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and comment below and share this with all your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.